Welcome to Yann's Yoga. Today Rejuvenating flow. We are here in Chowder Bay. This exercise is going to help you release any tightness, promote a greater comfort and mobility in your upper back. See you on your mat when you're ready. We're going to begin by lying on our belly, Supta Parivirta Vrishikasana. Left arm extended over to the left. Bend your right knee as you drop your right knee behind you. Stretching our left shoulders. Contracting our right top side. Creating a space to our shoulders and neck. Our extended arms are in line with your shoulders. You'll feel a deep stretch on your left shoulders. If it is too comfy, you can cactus your arm, bend 90 degrees to deeper stretching your left arm, just like how I do it right now. Gently release, shimmy your body to the left side, extend your right arm, bend your left knee, and you drop your left knee behind you. This time you will feel a release on your right neck, pelvic, alleviating any shoulder pain around you. Our meridians are stimulated, awaken the channels for a better health. Enjoy the stretch on your right shoulders. Options to cactus your arm. Couple more breaths. Transitions to our dead bug series A. We're gonna lie on our back, alternating our limbs and hover our limbs. Start with right arm and left leg. Inhale here, exhale, hover right arm and left leg. Inhale up, exhale, left arm, right leg. Keep alternating in your own pace. We're gonna do this 5 times on each side. This is gonna help you lengthening and strengthen our biceps, triceps of our arms, our psoas muscle of our abdominal, such as our rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and oblique, bringing a stability to our shoulders. Makanori now. The 4th time. Exhale, left arm, right leg, hover. One last time, right arm, left leg, hover. Inhale back, exhale, left arm, right leg. Well done guys. Did you guys get confused? It is a very fun flow. I hope you enjoyed it. Next, we're gonna do sun salutations. Inhale, both hands to the sky. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, hand on your shins. Exhale, both hands on the floor. Drop your knees, chest and chin. Inhale, roll up, point your feet. Exhale, tuck your feet. Push your hip high to Adho Mukha Svanasana. This is your first downward dog. You're most welcome to pedal your feet to release any hamstring and prepare your shoulders and arm. Next, inhale, left leg to the sky. Bend your left leg and bring it in between your hands. Pivot your right feet 90 degrees to the side of our mat. Arrive in Utthita Prasvakonasana. Left elbow on the left thigh. Right arms are extended. Create a diagonal line. You will feel your left side is lengthening towards the floor and towards the sky. Gently release. Right arm holding your left, and we're gonna pull yourself to the right. Enjoy the twist. Viparita Virabhadrasana. Slowly, we're going to Parivirta Utthita Konasana. Drop your left shoulder, Looking to your right, I'm mirroring you. Few more breath here. And the other side, drop your right shoulder, twisting to the left. Parivrtta Utkatakon Asana help us improve the range of motions of our muscles and joint. Help us to strengthen our shoulder blades. Next, we're gonna go back to Tripada Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend your left knee. Open your hips. Knees are high to the sky. On our next exhalation, we're gonna drop our left knee behind you. Arrive in Chamatkarasana variations with left hand to the sky. Pushing with your right hand, strong right shoulders. Your hips are active. Come back, release, and we can do a one leg vinyasa if it is within your practice. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, we're gonna release and sit on our heels in Balasana. We'll take a pause. Feeling all the expansions and stretch on our left side body. Notice how you feel on the left and right. Is your left shoulder feeling much release? Couple more breath here. When you're ready, this time inhale, right leg to the sky. Next, exhale, right knee in between your hands. Bend your right knee 90 degrees. Right elbow on your right thigh. Left hand are extended to the side. Create a diagonal line. Elongate your left hand to the sky. Options to drop your right palms on the floor. And stretching our left leg through the ground. Enjoy the stretch on the left side. Transitions to Viparita Virabhadrasana. Left hand holding our right arm and stretch to the left behind your mat. Feel the expansion on your right chest. From here, we're gonna do toes in. Listen carefully. Heels out. Left hand in between and right hand in between. Left hand to the sky. Parivrtta Utkatakon Asana. Switch side. Left hand in the middle. Right hand to the sky. Enjoy the twist. Open our chest as you press firmly on the ground. This time, I can give you choices, either head facing the ground or we can do a headstand into Mukta Hasta Sirsasana B. Engage your legs if you follow me. Hands are straight in front of you as we straddle our legs to the sky. Encourage our oxygenated blood flow to our upper body. Strengthen our arms, shoulders, legs, and hips. Press firmly on the floor with your hands. With control, lowering yourself down. Well done, guys. Frame your right feet and right leg to the sky. This time, bend your right knee, open your hips. Right knee facing the sky. When you're ready, we're gonna drop our right hip behind us into Chamatkarasana. Next, exhale. Drop your right knee behind you. Press to your left hand. Right hand to the sky. to well tone our shoulders. Strengthen the muscle of our arms and shoulders. Feeling liberated and enjoy the expansion. Release, we're going to forearm phalanx asana 2. Tuck your toes, both arms on the floor, with your shoulders in line with your elbows. Engage your core. Activate your Uddiyana Bandha and Mula Bandha. Squeeze your perineum and your abdomen. We stay here for 10 breaths. Well done, guys. Actions, time to call for your favorite pose. Otherwise, I'll invite you to Shavasana. I will call you when it is time. Awareness to your body, move your fingers, your toes, noticing the surrounding, the noise, the wind. Give yourself a good stretch and choose a favorite side and come up into sitting positions.